Hey family, welcome to another episode of ours, and today I have a very good friend of mine named Meghana.
Hi Rohit, thank you for introducing me.
So guys, as you know, Meghana has recently got placed through our TechEntry program and now she's into her dream job, that's IT. So I would like to ask a question to her. Meghana, did you just enjoy TechEntry? What was your experience?
I completed my engineering and after that I didn't got any job and because I want to work in IT company and I came to know that the TechEntry program and I joined here.
Okay, that's good to know, Meghana. After joining here, what are the advantages you feel that why only TechEntry? Why not some other institution?
Because before that I joined one institute, I taken one course. They were like in one room 200 to 300 students. Teacher will come and teach. Normal program. I waited up to 6 to 8 months. There I didn't got any job opportunity. After that I came to know about this TechEntry program and I joined here. They were like in that 7 days of free trial class starting. And I was like okay, let me join here, and I was like starting 2 to 3 days only I came to know that okay, this is the best place to learn. And one good thing is seniors, they have work also, they teach. If you have any doubt, if you go and ask, that time only they'll. The seniors are very best. The way they teach, that's the very best, and they give an opportunity to work on the real projects. I worked on so many live and real projects. That's the best experience. I learned a lot. In Angular, I learned HTML, CSS, JavaScript, TypeScript, and that too API integration.
Okay, that's good to know, Meghana. So after that, one last question I have. After becoming an employee, what are the things you feel like? How do you feel right now?
I'm feeling very happy that I got my first dream job in IT. I never thought that, but I got my dream job with a good package. My parents are happy. I wanted to thank you, the TechEntry family and my senior. That one person who came taught me about the TechEntry program. I'm feeling happy. This is the best place to learn.
So guys, what are you waiting for? Why don't you just TechEntry?